I'm Brianna Smith, your neighborhood reporter in downtown Tallahassee. Following the suspected FSU shooter's first court appearance, I'm speaking to a local defense attorney to break down what this means for the trial moving forward and what we could expect next.
Count 8, attempted first-degree murder with a firearm, life felony, and count 9, attempted first-degree murder with a firearm, life felony.
Local defense attorney Don Pumphrey is weighing in on suspected FSU shooter Phoenix Ikner's first appearance in court Tuesday morning.
I do find probable cause.
The public defender's office will represent Ikner, who's charged with 2 counts of first-degree murder and 7 counts of attempted murder. Pumphrey says the next steps for defense is to gather information since Ikner could face death or life sentences if found guilty. Those sentences, however, depend on whether a grand jury indicts him.
The defense attorneys will be looking at forensic psychologist, trying to gather information on prior mental health history, try to understand what mitigation they can gather and things of that nature, while at the same time seeing strategically if there is a defense to the actions of Mr. Ikner on that particular day.
With evidence already revealed in arrest affidavit files, Pumphrey says cases like this aren't always straightforward. The case could change once prosecutors analyze victims' point of view, both named in the documents and unnamed victims.
There are many facts and facets to this case that will develop over time, some known, some unknown, and as they're exposed to the public and the media, then the story will come together, and there may not be a trial. There may, if the state seeks death, there may be a trial.
The question remains if anyone else will be charged, since Ikner's stepmother works for the Leon County Sheriff's Office and used her former service weapon. In recent years, parents of suspected shooters face charges, according to ABC News, in the Oxford High School shooting case in Michigan and the Appalachia School shooting case in Georgia.
As far as access to the firearm, this was an individual who was not a child, and so I have not seen anything that would indicate that there would be any charges forthcoming.
Pumphrey says the trial timeline could range from months to years depending on how the case unfolds. The defense could ask for a speedy trial, but that's all dependent on what's needed to ensure this is a fair process. As of now, the state does not have a trial date set. In downtown Tallahassee, Brianna Smith, ABC 27.